Hello, hello, or should I say yar? Well, I would say yar, but I'm not a pirate. So either way, this is something which just was in the mail, and now it's time to take a look at what you get inside the GigaDevice IAR evaluation kit. Well, first of all, the most important thing, we see here on the IAR website the list of free trials. And notably absent is a trial for the RISC-V. So if you want to try IAR Embedded Workbench on the RISC-V, the only way to do it is to order this evaluation kit. And for this, we have to go to this website. And you see here, that's the page. You fill this out, then you click Send Request, and then you wait. And it can take 2 days or 3 or 4 days, and then you get an email with a download link and a personalized serial number with a 30-day trial of the IAR Workbench for RISC-V. And you can use that immediately if you have some other GigaDevice equipment at home. But in the meantime, in the background at IAR, they also start a process to actually ship you the kit. And this can be quite slow. In my case, I had to wait about 3 to 4 weeks. So this is not something to do when you are in a hurry. But either way, now it's time to look at what you actually get for all the effort. Well, first things first, you see opened for customs purposes. And the reason for that is that the kit ships directly from Sweden, and you know Sweden has very liberal customs laws, so a lot of stuff, even inside the EU, when it comes from Sweden, it gets looked at very carefully by the local customs. Be that as it may, it's time to look inside, so we'll use my trusty next tool, box opening thingy. Here we go as well, and here we go as well. And you see it flips open just like it should, and inside we find another little box where apparently customs didn't go inside anymore. They were just looking for drugs. And here we have it, the RISC-V evaluation board from IAR Systems based on GigaDevice technology. The blister is interesting in that it opens from the back, but it's a pretty high quality, so you can use it for storage. And then here we get, first of all, an iJet Lite programming tool, a mini USB cable, another mini USB cable, and finally the actual development board. Now that we've got the evaluation board open, here of course we have the main CPU, which is a VF103. Here we have the programming connector, we have a rheostat for testing the ADC, a headphone output, we've got a few switches, and here we've got an Arduino-like pinout where we can solder in things for communication. And as we see at the bottom, there isn't really all that much. It's just a few holes for the through-hole Arduino connector. And yeah, one last interesting thing, this little chip over there, it's an FTDI USB to serial converter. This port here in the back, it's intended for the iJet. So you see the iJet, it plugs in here, only one way, only this way. And then you have this IAR specific programming device, and then you can communicate with it using the IDE. So, now that we are done with it, well, it was free, so you don't want to look a gift horse in the mouth. First of all, thank you very much to IAR for sending me the box. But, I mean, this is a very impressive piece of kit. And if you want to use the IAR toolchain with RISC-V, even if you don't want to use the actual IAR board, this is the only way to get an evaluation version. So, I mean, it's free, there's nothing to lose, so hit it and good luck!